अच्छा इधर देखिए, ये आपका गिफ्ट है.
I was going to take out too.
You want to take it out? लेकिन आपने तो ऑलरेडी निकाल लिया है.
No.
आपने नहीं निकाला था. तो ये रैपर कैसे फटा इसका? Who took off the wrapper?
Daddy, Omo.
You took off the wrapper?
Dear.
What is inside? What is?
मुझे कैसे इसका टैग भी उतारो जिसके पीछे लगा.
What is this?
This back.
This is tag. अच्छा ये है क्या? मुझे पहले ये इसकी तो फेस तो दिखाए ना मुझे. ये क्या है? Wow, it's a cutie pie. What is this?
Omo.
Huh?
Omo. This is Omo.
This is Ummo.
Daddy, this is Omo dog. Omo's name is dog.
Its name is Dog. Do you like it?
This is Omo.
This is yours?
Daddy, this is Omo. This is. I'm just too big.
You-
Papa's too big. He's a mommy. This. He's a very big. The dog.
You like the dog? Do you like the dog? Okay. And why? Who gave you this? Who gave you this dog?
Me, Omo.
Who gave you?
I did do it myself.
You got it yourself.
Daddy, I did it myself.
I know, but you got it from the bag. But who put it in the bag for you?
Mommy.
Mommy put it. And only mommy?
And Papa.
Papa also?
No.
You know what's written on the thing that you tore? It says Mama, and there was something else also on it, but you took it off. It says Papa and Mama, and it said Happy 3rd. It's your 3rd birthday.
My birthday is my red.
It's your birthday.
What is my birthday gone? He's got my birthday. See this.
This is your birthday gift. You like it?
Try this dog.
Okay. Can you? Okay.
Woof, woof.
You like the birthday gift? You have to say thank you. How are you going to say thank you?
Thank you.
Thank you to whom?
See.
Thank you to whom?
Thank you.
Who are you saying thank you to? Mama or Papa?
And Mama, Papa.
Mama and Papa both?
D.
Do you love Mama and Papa?
D.
How much?
49.
We love you too.
Sorry, day.
Okay, now can you say happy birthday once?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Daddy, say happy birthday, Omo.
Happy birthday, dear Ummo. Happy birthday to you. Sadie loves you.
Daddy,
Yeah.
for my doggy.
And I love your doggy.